Hello and welcome to Blytheway Business News. In this edition of the programme, we're very happy to be joined by Tony Calamita, who's Chief Executive of the Love Hemp Group PLC. Love Hemp Group is listed on the Aquis market, but also on the OTC market in North America. Tony, good to have you with us. Since we last spoke, you've had a name change, so tell us about that.
Hi, Tim. Yes, we have. So we have renamed to the Love Hemp Group. This is to reflect the new company strategy under my leadership as CEO. And that is specifically to focus on growing the Love Hemp brand into a global leader. Love Hemp was founded in 2015. And today we really have positioned ourselves as one of the UK leaders. And now it's time to replicate that success on a global scale.
And to do that, you've just done a fundraise, I see. Can you give us, elaborate on the success, because it went very well. Tell us about the fundraise.
Yeah, so it was a fantastic few weeks engaging with investors, sharing our story, our mission and our vision. We had absolutely fantastic feedback across the board, and this resulted in an oversubscribed financing of just over 7 million. We did an initial 5 million raise, and then we released a broker option to the general public, and this brought us to just above the 7 million figure. And it was also interesting to have such a broad variety of investors come on board into the business. So we had some smaller end retail investors, but we also had high net worths and private equity. And I'm also very proud to say that we brought some institutional investment into the Love Hemp Group as well.
So a nice mix of retail and institutional shareholders have come in. You've got the money. I'm sure you're not going to just sit on it, though. What are you going to use the funds for?
So the investment is primarily going to be used for marketing, brand building, and our expansion into the US. We will, of course, be using this money to support our new partnership with the UFC that was recently announced. For those that don't know, the UFC is the Ultimate Fighting Championship. Right now, they are the largest sporting franchise in the world. They are also the largest pay-per-view provider globally. It's an absolute huge business that reaches over 1 billion households in 175 countries with over 625 million fans. So a very powerful partnership for Love Hemp as we move into this global launch phase. We are also going to be using the money for investing into our operational infrastructure, which is going to be really critical as we move into this aggressive growth phase. And now that we've successfully acquired the funds, we can fully implement our plans. And it really is an exciting opportunity for Love Hemp to begin gaining global recognition.
And have you built the team under yourself now to help drive the marketing initiatives?
We have built a very strong team of C-suite executives. We're continuing to build on our infrastructure and will do so through the course of the year. And the company has really been able to bring in the very best talent.
Now, at the same time as you were doing the fundraising, you've also announced the intention to move up from the Aquis market onto the London Stock Exchange's main list. Can you tell us the thinking behind that, please?
Sure. So, the Love Hemp is growing rapidly right now. We have a very strong investor base, and the recent fundraise really confirms the appetite for cannabis-related businesses in the market. A move to the main list will provide considerable benefit both for the company and for our investors. It will also provide Love Hemp with a higher profile, and most importantly, it will offer greater liquidity and better access to the capital markets, and this includes access via institutional investors. And really exciting time, looking forward to keeping the market updated with our progress.
Well, I was going to say, Tony, you've got a lot going on. So what should viewers be looking out for in the next few months as terms of news flow coming out of the Love Hemp Group?
So we have a number of exciting things in the pipeline. Apart from the global launch strategy being rolled out this year, our new London facility is due to complete in July, which will increase our production capacity. We are also working on a number of very exciting partnerships, which is a little too early to go into detail. But I really need to say that I'm very excited by the current momentum of the company and our talented team and our ambitious plans. The sky really is the limit for Love Hemp right now.
Well, Tony, we wish you luck. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you back on the show and updating us on the progress. That was Tony Calamita, Chief Executive of the Love Hemp Group. That's it from Blytheway Business News for this edition. Thanks for watching.